So, I had to shut off the video because I was running out of time. So, I have explained that, about my creature for the Dark Crystal. I mimic Octopus-Man, who wear different costumes to show I'm an individual. So, anyways, that's my Kinninigan right here. There. They're like, it's like a hybrid of different like creatures. So anyways, I explained that I made a hybrid like there would be like the Skeksis in the Gartham Wars, they want like a hybrid between Kinnigans because they're so like powerful, and Gelflings to like fuck up the Gelflings. By the way, there are different like types of Gelflings. So I'm gonna take some parts here.